When I was doing my latest plays, I realized that over the years, all the plays that we had done, we had set a certain standard in both humor and glamour. The kinds of dances we used to do, the kind of songs we used to play. And I was really looking for somebody who can do justice to a play like that. Because a play like Bottoms Up or a play like Blame It on Eshraj needed a lot of glamour, a lot of innovation. And we were looking at different choreographers at that time to find out who could fit the bill. And then by chance, I had to go and see a play, and I was introduced to Hormuz Kambata and his dance company. And I found that that's exactly what I was looking for, because normally what happens is you either get people who are very good in Western dancing, or you get people who are very good in Indian style dancing. But that whole combination and fusion, the kind that I wanted in my plays, there are not many people who can do that. So when I met Hormuz and saw the kinds of dances that he had done, we immediately contacted him, and he choreographed my two latest plays. He choreographed Blame It on Eshraj and choreographed Bottoms Up, and both had completely different kinds of songs and dances. One had Sangeet on Bollywood style, one had different kinds of Western dances, Indian dances. We had a Antakshari on Hindi songs with English words, and he had to keep on improvising on all that. He had to make people wearing politicians' masks dance in a certain way. It won't look funny. And I realized that he had the talent to do that. He had his old troupe, which was very with it. They could pick up things that would change last minute. And I was very happy with the kinds of things that he's been doing. We even went to South Africa to audition South African dancers. And we auditioned about 100 dancers. And before we went there, our producer kept telling him that, look, we are now going international. This is a place where plays are being done from Broadway. The Sound of Music and Dancing in the Rain kinds of plays come here. So we've got to really stick to that kind of a standard. And we auditioned those 100 dancers. He selected about 25 of them. And even the people who were the South African theatre people who were there, they were very impressed with the way he handled the dancers, the way he handled the choreography. And then we did the shows with the local dancers, with our Indian cast. And we had 8 or 10 packed houses with maybe only 25% Indians and balance being South Africans. And the credit, a great lion's share of the credit goes to Hormuz Kambata for doing that. So I think he has been doing extremely well. He also does Filmfare Awards in the South, and he works with those actors and actresses there, which is again a different ballgame altogether, because there are different kinds of South Indian songs and dances that have to be done to suit their needs and their tastes. And I think he does it effortlessly, and I'm sure pretty well, because they keep calling him every year. So I think he has a great future ahead of him.